Hey there, so a lot of Talora users wanted to know how to set up their call transfer and call routing thing. So here are step-by-step guide on how you can do it. That's very easy. So as you can see, this is my Dialora platform. Go to your agents. Now select your agent and go to advanced settings. Scroll down to the last where you can see data integration and click on add tools. And here click on transfer call, and once you have selected that, just mention your number where you want this call to be transferred, insert your number, and then just save it. Now, the next step is to go to your prompt and just mention where you want this particular call transfer to happen, when, at what point in time you want this call transfer to work in place. For example, when a caller asks to speak to human support or anything, you can just mention anything like when they are inquiring for pricing or any other specific thing or about venue or anything depending upon your business line, right? And you click on enhance prompt and your call transfer will work seamlessly. Now, if we speak about call routing, it's pretty much the same process. You go again, let me show you how it is done. You go again to advanced settings, and here data integration and tools, you click on call transfer this time. Click on the settings, but here inside the tool description, you can say trigger this tool when a caller asks for tech support. So this routing is for your internal team. So for example, you have 3 teams sitting in your office for your business, like a sales team or a tech team or a delivery guy or whoever it is, and you want the call go to the specific person. Just trigger it inside the tool description, saying trigger this only when a tech support is needed, and then save it, right? And you can do the same inside the enhance prompt section and write transfer to this only when a tech support is needed, and also trigger it when a caller asks for call transfer. Ask him which department you wish to speak to. That's very easy. Once you have mentioned this, once you have given clear direction to your agent, and then it will work seamless. So here's how call routing and call transfers work, and it's a lifesaver for all of your leads. It converts in real time and gives the right amount of attention your leads need. Thank you so much. I'll see you next time.